Alright, so last night I polished. I got the last of the clear coats on and did a quick compound polish. Nothing crazy, I just wanted to see how it would turn out. I think it turned out pretty good. There is orange peel for sure, but I don't know. Yeah, you can see the orange peel there. I might go back and re-sand the clear coat, but I think it turned out really good. I think I feel like it looks really good. The camera's crappy because of the shitty light in here right now, but went ahead and painted all the trim all black, which doesn't really show up on camera too well, but I definitely think it looks good. I think it looks good. Got off work, or rather what's going to happen is this is off the maroon car, obviously, because it's the maroon trunk. So I'm going to get a new decal, new center decal. Hope I can get one that's a Civic VTEC. And then, yeah, buddy. That'll be that. That'll be my rear end. God, it's going to look nice. But, yeah, so I'm in the process of, I'm in between, yeah, what I'm doing is basically just goo-gawing that stuff. That stuff doesn't work for shit. The goo be gone. That doesn't work. I think my next step is WD-40 and some steel wool. Because that stuff, that factory adhesive on there is crazy. But yeah, I got off work and I decided that I would, just for no particular reason, yesterday started sanding my roof just to get some dirt off, and the next thing you know I sanded the whole thing. And so when I got home today, I just taped it up, put some tape around the edges, laid a bunch of blankets over it. I didn't take a picture or anything, but yeah, I figured I had it sanded, just tacked it, made sure it was nice and clean, because I washed it yesterday afterward, and threw a couple cans on there right after work. It's in the process of drying right now. It looks pretty wrinkly on camera, but I'm planning on doing quite a few coats on this. That's just 2 cans. I'm going to do a light sanding tomorrow. Run grab some more paint. Hopefully it's still on sale for $3 a can, because it's $8 otherwise. And it's going to slow my roll quite a bit, because that's a lot of money. Because I put 4 cans of it on the trunk, and that's already 2 cans. I was thinking about throwing a 3rd one on before I took all the tape and stuff off, but I decided I wanted to take it slow, keep doing it right. So I'm gonna let this dry, get rid of the bugs, and then I'm going to sand it, throw another 2 cans on there, let it dry, sand it, see where I'm at. Maybe another 2 cans. I don't know. I really want to layer it up a lot because of something or other. I don't know. So yeah, so that's gonna be pretty good and done. I'm gonna try and throw the trunk on if I can get the I'm gonna have to put the old cylinder lock in there, which would be nice because it's a brand new cylinder lock, so why wouldn't I use it? So alright, that's where I'm at. Back when I'm back, I guess.